Google recently announced a new project that they were working on called Gemini. This new insane AI model is unlike anything we've ever seen before. The tech giant has finally created an AI model that is powerful enough to challenge ChatGPT. In fact, there are speculations that Gemini could even surpass GPT-4 and even GPT-5. Today, we are going to dive into Google's Gemini project. We will look at what Gemini is, and we'll also compare it to ChatGPT. But before that, welcome to the AI Trend, your go-to destination for all things AI. We are dedicated to bringing you the latest developments, breakthroughs, and releases in artificial intelligence technology. So subscribe to stay updated on how AI is reshaping our world. Without further ado, let's get started. Recently announced at the Google I/O conference, Gemini is Google's groundbreaking project that propels the AI realm to new heights. As an acronym for Generative Enhanced Multimodal Intelligent Network Interface, Gemini represents an AI system that excels in generating and comprehending diverse data types such as text, images, audio, and video. It's like having an AI sidekick that can interact with humans and other systems cleverly and intuitively. But wait a minute, don't we already have ChatGPT-4? Well, yes, we do. ChatGPT-4 is a versatile AI system that can create all sorts of content depending on the input. You can ask it to write a love poem, draw a cat wearing sunglasses, or even compose a pizza-themed song. Although I can't promise the song will be great. But here's the thing, ChatGPT-4 is a jack of all trades, but a master of none. That's where Gemini comes in and changes the game. It is a specialized AI model that focuses mainly on processing text. And let me tell you why Google believes text is the AI's holy grail. You see, text is everywhere. Think about all the things we do online: searching, reading, communicating, and giving feedback. Text is at the heart of it all. It's a treasure trove of information and knowledge. Google's goal with Gemini is to create an AI that excels in text processing, capable of generating top-quality text for any purpose or domain. Need a catchy blog post headline, a funny social media post, or a gripping storyline for a novel? Gemini has got you covered. But there's more. Gemini doesn't stop at generating and understanding text. It goes beyond that. It is an active collaborator and communicator. It can chat with you or other systems just like a human would. Whether you want to have a conversation, seek advice, or learn something new, Gemini is there to assist you. Gemini is currently being trained by Google DeepMind, the genius minds behind several groundbreaking AI ventures. Now, how did Google DeepMind go about engineering Gemini, and what makes it so special? So, Google DeepMind is a branch of Google that focuses on AI research. It was founded back in 2010 by Demis Hassabis, who happens to be an ex-chess prodigy, neuroscientist, and game designer. As the CEO, Hassabis envisions an AI that not only learns but can actually reach and maybe even surpass human-level intelligence. One of DeepMind's remarkable achievements was creating AlphaGo, an AI that stunned the world in 2016 by defeating a Go world champion. People thought it was impossible because Go is an incredibly complex game that demands intuition and strategic thinking. AlphaGo used a method called reinforcement learning, which allowed it to adjust its strategy based on feedback from millions of games it played. But Hassabis wasn't satisfied with just conquering the world of gaming. He wanted to take things further and develop an AI system that could not only play games, but also understand and generate natural language. That's where Gemini entered the scene. It's an AI model that applies the problem-solving techniques of AlphaGo to the realm of language processing. In an interview with Wired, Hassabis mentioned that Gemini would incorporate some exciting innovations, although he didn't spill the beans on the specifics. We'll have to wait and see what mind-blowing advancements Gemini has in store for us. Now, what exactly is Gemini's unique approach to AI, and how does it work? Gemini uses a state-of-the-art architecture that combines two crucial components: a multimodal encoder, and a multimodal decoder. The purpose of the encoder is to convert different types of data into a shared language that the decoder can understand. Once the data is encoded, the decoder takes over and produces outputs in various modalities, depending on the encoded inputs and the specific task at hand. Let's consider an example to better understand this process. Imagine we have an image as input, and our goal is to generate a relevant caption for that image. In this scenario, the encoder plays a vital role. It takes the image and transforms it into a comprehensive vector that captures all the unique features and underlying meaning embedded within the image. Once the image is encoded, the decoder comes into play. It uses this encoded information to generate a textual output that accurately describes the content depicted in the image. By leveraging the knowledge encoded in the vector, the decoder can produce a caption that effectively communicates what the image portrays. The combination of the multimodal encoder and decoder in Gemini enables it to handle a wide range of tasks that involve different types of data, such as images and text. It allows Gemini to bridge the gap between modalities, facilitating effective communication and understanding across diverse forms of information. Gemini stands out and truly distinguishes itself from other large language models like GPT-4 due to its unique and remarkable advantages. Let me break them down for you. First off, Gemini showcases outstanding adaptability. It possesses the remarkable ability to handle a wide range of data types and tasks without requiring specialized models or extensive fine-tuning procedures. Unlike other AI models that are limited to specific domains or tasks, Gemini can learn from any domain or dataset, unrestricted by predefined categories or labels. This adaptability empowers the AI model to efficiently tackle new and previously unseen scenarios, making it incredibly versatile. In addition to its adaptability, Gemini also excels in efficiency. The model uses fewer computational resources and memory compared to AI models that handle multiple modalities separately. By effectively integrating multiple modalities within a single architecture, Gemini optimizes resource usage without compromising performance. Moreover, Gemini employs a distributed training strategy, leveraging multiple devices and servers to accelerate the learning process. This strategy enhances overall efficiency and facilitates faster learning. Furthermore, Gemini boasts exceptional scalability. It seamlessly scales up to larger datasets and models without sacrificing performance or compromising quality. This scalability is particularly noteworthy considering the size and complexity of a language model. Gemini's ability to handle larger datasets and models with ease underscores its robustness and reliability. Another intriguing ability of Gemini is its aptitude for multimodal question answering. This means it can tackle queries that involve multiple types of data, such as text and images. For example, you could ask Gemini about the author of a book while simultaneously presenting an image of the book cover. Alternatively, you might inquire about the name of an animal while displaying an accompanying image. Gemini excels at responding to such questions by leveraging its proficiency in comprehending both textual and visual information. Another fascinating capability of Gemini is its multimodal summarization. Imagine having a piece of information composed of diverse data types, like text and audio. You may wish to summarize a podcast episode or a news article by generating a concise text summary or an audio summary. Gemini effortlessly accomplishes this task by integrating its skills in understanding both written and spoken content. Gemini also showcases its prowess in multimodal translation. This is particularly useful when there is a need to translate information that encompasses multiple forms of data, such as text and video. Suppose you have a video lecture or a movie trailer that requires subtitles or translation into another language. Gemini excels at undertaking such challenges by combining its abilities in textual and visual translation. Additionally, Gemini exhibits remarkable ability in multimodal generation. This arises when you desire to create information that incorporates various data types, including text and images. For instance, you might seek to generate an image based on a textual description or a sketch. Alternatively, you may wish to generate text based on an image or a video clip. Once again, Gemini excels by harnessing its proficiencies in both textual and visual generation. However, what truly astounds is Gemini's unparalleled capacity for multimodal reasoning. This remarkable ability enables it to combine information from different data types and tasks to make assumptions. Google Gemini is undoubtedly very powerful, and it will revolutionize the way humans interact with computers. The tech giant has not revealed when it will release Gemini, but we could see it anytime next year. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to stay updated about the latest developments in the world of AI.